The big hill with the ruts was one of the highlights already. A long right-hander sweeping up, so as you're getting a bit of pace up, there's ruts in the middle, and there's holes along the side, and everything was a bit of a challenge.
It's actually very rough, guys. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It doesn't do it justice. You can't take the photograph. Oh, he's got sideways. Okay, this is going to be fun. Ready and raring to go. Whoa. Whoa. That was ace.
GoPro on?
Yeah, it was great fun. Really good to get up there. It felt special.
I think it's being tricksy. What's going on?
It's very important with a RoadSafe vehicle that everything's safe. Pete carries lots of shackles, he keeps lots of tow points, recovery gear. It's very important. He takes it to the next level. He's got the safest steering wheel in Australia. He shackles himself in.
What the hell? Mike? Is this you?
What I can do for anything?
How's this? Look, see what I got to put up with? It's hard to get good help.